All right, so as you can see, I got 4 examples on the board. Let's get started. All right, we got a right triangle. We want to find x. Well, if you put your finger on the angle, remember that's the key. X is the what? That would be the opposite. So you could put that there if you want. And 17 is the what? It's obviously the across from the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. Okay, so now what trig function has opposite and hypotenuse? That's sine, some old horse. So fingers here, the sine of an angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then you remember, just to make it visually appealing, you put it over 1, let's cross multiply. 1 times x is x, and sine is 22 times 17. Remember how to write that? 17 sine 22. So x is, I'm guessing, we're not going to get an exact answer, so it's an approximate. So you got to bust out that calculator. I happen to have one right here. See, everybody carries a calculator. Okay, so let's turn it on. You got to make sure this thing's on. You got to look for a pulse. You see the pulse? Okay, pulse is right there. So let's pop it in. 17 sine 22 equals, what are we looking at? 6.3683? 6.3683. Why am I going to the 10,000s? Because that's what I grew up with. They punished me, I'm going to punish you. Okay, let's do the next one. Fingers on the angle. X is the adjacent, 6 against the hypotenuse, so that's cosine. So the cosine of the angle came hopping x over 6. Let's put this over 1. Cross multiply. 1 times x is x. And then we got 6 cosine of 60. Now I think I happen to know something about this one, but let's just check it out. Okay, let's clear the calculator and let's go with 6 cosine of 60. Ooh, 3. So x equals 3. That must mean the cosine of 60 is 1/2, but that's for another lesson. Let's come down here. Fingers on the angle. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. So that's tangent. Tangent of 49 is equal through our alley. 7 over x. Okay, put this over 1. And then we're going to cross multiply. Tangent of 49 times x, we got to write that as x tangent of 49 equals 1 times 7 is 7. See, I don't like these, but I kind of do like them because it looks kind of cool. Because now you can actually divide by tangent of 49 on both sides. And then we bust out the calculator one more time. Let's clear it. 7 divided by tangent 49 equals about, so where are we? X is about 6.085. One last one. All right, let me erase some of this work. So now we're going to find an angle. So that's when you find that, use that super duper fancy button. So if you check it out, we're going to be using one of these inverse buttons. Okay, but we'll figure out which one here in a second. Fingers on the angle, that's the adjacent, that's the hypotenuse, so that's cosine. So cosine of an angle, in this case it's x, came up, hopping. To find x, you take the inverse cos, don't go give me that cos to the -1 jazz. Inverse cosine, so I'm guessing it's going to be an approximation. Let's get the calculator one more time. Clear. And then how do we do inverse cosine? You got to hit second, then the cosine. See how it's inverse cosine? 8 divided by 15, survey says about 57.7. We'll call it 77. About 57.77, and it's an angle, so let's pop in the degrees. If there's no further questions, take a break.